Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing the Jeffree Star makeup brushes. So let's get this baby open. I'm excited for these brushes. I have really high expectations because it is Jeffree Star, but it is also Morphe, so who knows. I know his brushes are very different than the regular Morphe brushes because the pink bristle brushes are synthetic by what I know, and then the other ones are really good bristles, like really good hair. Ooh, so when you open the box, we got this here, bubble wrap, and it's the Jeffree Star and Morphe makeup brushes. So we have Jeffree Star on the packaging, the little cardboard. Alright, so this brush set comes with 7 iconic superstars. Alright, so this says, a jaw-dropping, beat-creating brush collection from our fiercest of fierce babes, Jeffree Star. You'll live for these 7 iconic custom brushes that kick sass and take names. You better work. Okay, so before I pull these out, I'm hoping that the brushes have a little weight to them because, I mean, it's Jeffree Star. He likes when things are heavy. You know, when products have a nice feel to them and are not cheap feeling. So hopefully these don't feel cheap. Alright, so here are the brushes. We have 7 brushes. So the JS1, which I'm guessing is this one here. This is called the Size Queen brush, which this is to apply foundation, or you can use it for other things. And then we have the JS2, which is, I think this one, yep. JS2, which is the point blank precision brush. You can use this for, I forgot what Jeffree used this one for, but it's for something. And then we have the JS3 Iconic Contour Brush. So this brush is one of a kind. This is for contouring. It's supposed to be easy to use. Normally I use a different type of brush, but today we're going to be using all these brushes to create a full face of makeup. So, and then we have the JS4 Fly High brush, which is this one here. You can use this for highlighter or whatever else you want. And then we have the JS5, which is the Crease Queen brush. And then we have the JS6 Rule Blender brush, this one here. And then, last but not least, we have the Double Trouble brush, JS7. Alright, so by feeling the brushes, I mean, they're kind of like hollow. So, I thought they would be like heavier, you know, like not hollow. Because literally, I feel like I can bend and snap. Bend and snap, you know? Like literally, I can bend and snap this like nothing. But anyway, we're gonna create a full face of makeup using the Jeffree Star brushes today. So here we go, God bless. So, I mean the brush doesn't have anything yet, but I'm just feeling. I mean, it feels good, very soft brush. Very soft brush actually. So let's get started. We're gonna use the e.l.f. face primer and we're gonna put that right on top of the brush here. One pump goes a long way. So the brush feels really soft on the skin. And now we're gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation in the shade Medium Honey. This feels really good on the skin. And it's very fast to apply. It feels soft on the skin, so that's good. The bristles are really nice with the foundation, so it makes it easy to blend out. So the foundation is now on, I mean, I think I prefer how the sponge applies the foundation, but I wouldn't mind applying the foundation again with this brush because I thought it was fast. But honestly, I feel like I'm using more product with the brush than with the sponge. Let's proceed to the bronzer, which is the contour. And we're gonna use the contouring brush by Jeffree Star. This is a one-of-a-kind brush for contouring. So let's check it out. Okay, so this is very easy to use. You just go in circular motions and you just define where you want your contour. I feel like it looks blotchy though. I mean, honestly, this brush is too small for my face or something. It gets the job done, but I feel like you can do this faster with a different brush. But maybe for the nose, yeah, it's a good size brush. It's very easy to blend out for the nose. You know, quick snatch. All right, so now that that's done, we're gonna move on to the next brush. So this brush is the JS2. Yeah, the JS2. And I'm just gonna apply some of the powder, the lighter powder shade for diffusing and adding light. So now that the powder is done, for the eyes we have two brushes here, which is the JS5 and the JS6. So we're gonna create a eyeshadow look with just these two brushes, okay? So we're gonna start with the JS5. And we're gonna be using the Morphe 35V eyeshadow palette, which is this one here. So it is Jeffree Star. We don't have a very strong pink here in this palette. So we're gonna start with Tell Me More, which is this nice kind of like pink purple. This one here. Plum? I'm not sure what I would call it. A dusty purple. Anyway, so let's start with that one. Oh, this brush feels nice. And then do the same on the other eye. Alright, so now that that shade is on, we're gonna move on to Heartbreaker, which is this pink here. And we're just gonna apply it on the lid. And then do the same on the other eye. Heartbreaker on the lid. And then we're gonna apply Three Little Words, which is this one here, right above that color on the lid, just to make that pink pop more. And now we're gonna go in with Trist, and we're gonna put it in the corner of the eyes, the outer corner of the eyes, to give it a little bit of a smoky feel. And we're gonna go a little bit deeper on the corners. Now we're gonna add Addicted to the corners. Just a little goes a long way with this one. And we're gonna drag that whatever's left on the brush right inside. And then we're gonna use go nude to buff everything out towards the brow with the same brush. And then we're gonna use the JS6 for the inner corner of the eyes, and we're gonna jump into Knockout, which is this white shimmery here. I'm gonna put it in the corner of the eyes. We're gonna add some gold to the lid actually, so let's jump into Swoon, which is this nice gold down here. Let's apply it on the lid just to give it a different feel. Okay, well that's the eyes. So now we're gonna do the eyebrows using the Jeffree Star eyebrow brush. And let's just use the black, which is called Little Black Book. Oh wow. There's no turning back. Alright, so the eyeshadows are done, the eyebrows are done, everything's done with the brush set by Jeffree Star. So my final thoughts are, well, the brushes could have been heavier. The bristles feel really good. The synthetic bristles feel really soft on the skin. I could live without the contouring brush, honestly. Yeah, this collection could have had a little bit more, like thought put into it or something. It could have had more brushes, honestly. Where's the other one? Oh, we're missing one, the highlighting brush. So stupid, but anyway. Yeah, that's my thought. That's my final thought. They could have been heavier. They could have had a little more variety in the brush set, you know. So today we're diving into King Tut by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And we're using the JS4. I don't know. I have mixed feelings about this brush set. I do think it's worth it. It's Jeffree Star. Come on, why not? So, if you love Jeffree Star, this is something you should have by him because, I mean, it's his name on it, so why not? Anyway, if you like this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all the videos that I've been uploading, okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye.